And after he said sorry, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has sent an emissary to Dausa. Aam Aadmi Party leader Sanjay Singh is in Dausa right now. There is a meeting that's taking place. He's meeting Gajendra Singh's family. Security, of course, has been strengthened at Dausa by the local police. The family is inconsolable after Gajendra Singh's suicide at the Aam Aadmi Party rally at Delhi's Jantar Mantar. Jugal Purohit standing by. Let's listen in to the latest that's coming in from Dausa. Jugal, Sanjay Singh met the family. What more can you tell us?
संजय जी, आप पर भी प्रश्न उठ रहे हैं। संजय जी, आम आदमी पार्टी
Replay those pictures. Sanjay Singh, Aam Aadmi Party leader, along with several MLAs of the Delhi Assembly, they met the family in Dausa. They're now coming out. They've just come out. They've spoken to the media. Jugal Purohit with me. Jugal, what did Sanjay Singh say? We'll just try and reestablish that line with Jugal Purohit. That's that brave girl, Megha Singh, Gajendra Singh's daughter. She's 16 years old. She's just completed her class 12th and she's aspiring to be a bureaucrat after her graduation. And that was her father's dream, that she should become an Indian Administrative Services officer. She's done extremely well at school. She will continue to study, and that is that message that she had from her father. He always encouraged his daughters to study, to do well in life. They were a well-to-do family. That is what Megha Singh was telling us. They have 17 bighas of land. Gajendra Singh's father there in these pictures. Gajendra Singh's father says a man who was unable to protect one life at that rally at Jantar Mantar. And the question that he's asking, is he fit to govern a city like Delhi? And that's the question that that young girl you see on your television screen, Megha Singh, also asked. Why is it that so many senior leaders were on the dais? There were so many Aam Aadmi Party workers and activists at Jantar Mantar. Why is it that all of them could not save her father? Some of them, she says, egged her father on to tie that safa around his neck, and she says he was egged on to commit suicide. That, of course, is a matter of investigation, an investigation that will now be carried out both by the Delhi police and the district magistrate of the New Delhi district. And let's listen in to Sanjay Singh after he met the family.
इस घटना स्वर्गीय गजेंद्र जी के परिवार से अपार कष्ट, अपार दुख में उनका परिवार है। उनके पिताजी, उनके भाई, बेटियां, उनकी बेटी नेहा और दोनों बच्चे, माताजी, सबसे मुलाकात हुई। सब भारी कष्ट में हैं, लेकिन परिजनों ने एक बात कही कि वो किसानों के मुद्दे पर शहीद हुए हैं, तो उनको दिल्ली सरकार की ओर से शहीद का, किसान शहीद का दर्जा दिया जाए। दूसरी बात कि परिवार के किसी एक सदस्य को जब उनकी आयु 18 साल हो जाए तो दिल्ली सरकार में नौकरी दी जाए। तो इन दोनों बातों पर मैं श्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी से जाकर बात करूंगा और निश्चित रूप से दिल्ली सरकार इसके बारे में एक सकारात्मक फैसला लेगी। जो बात परिवार ने रखी है उसको निश्चित रूप से गंभीरता से हम लोग
पक्ष रखा है, क्योंकि परिवार वालों का ये कह रहा था कि अगर आप
पूरा पक्ष रखा, सारी बातें बताई, सारी घटना बताई, जो कुछ भी उस समय हुआ, जो कुछ भी हमसे बन सकता था, जो प्रयास हम लोगों ने किया। लेकिन दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, दुखद है कि सब कुछ के बावजूद आज स्वर्गीय गजेंद्र हमारे बीच में नहीं है।
नुमाइंदे को आने में देरी हुई?
So 2 demands came in from the family according to Sanjay Singh. Kisan Shaheed ka darja is what he said, the title of Kisan Shaheed for Gajendra Singh, and also one job, a government job for one member of the family. Sanjay Singh said he'd take this request to Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi's Chief Minister, and hopes for a positive solution on this, a positive response on this.